Hi, I'm Paul Jolley and I'm here in the factory on a Sunday afternoon, I might add. We're just preparing all the samples ready to go to UK, USA and different places. So this one is a motor fader. That means it's got a little motor there and it can go up and down itself. And this one is 1 million cycles. So the difference with our products, we use a silver paste technology which can heighten and increase the lifespan of the products. This one is just a standard variable resistor, also 1 million cycles. This one is a standard fader without the motor, also 1 million cycles. This one, tiny little one, new product range, and this is for more medical style equipment. This one is the motor fader, also has the motor so it can go up and down by itself, also 1 million cycles. And this one, another form of the variable resistor. This one has 5 million cycles, so very long life on these things. So, and we're also doing this one. This one is for like a drill, like this, and backwards and forwards, with a little LED on it. And we're just preparing the samples for these ones as well. So a lot of samples going out. If you're interested in these products, then give us a call, comment below, and we'll be in touch.